Come take a ride, buddy.
Holy crap, that's something else. Woo!
Now it is full of power. It brings a smile to my face, and it's hard to do for me. The sound is incredible. 350 has got the best sound. That flat plane crank, when it winds out, it burbles and pops when you let off of it, and it screams when you hammer it. I love the darn thing.